So yep, Woody just showed up with his Highlifter 850 here, and we've been waiting on this because he ordered Big Gun EVO. It's just Big Gun EVO, ain't it?
Yep, EVO U. Yeah,
EVO U series exhaust slip-on, and I never told him that he needed the power programmer, or whatever you want to call this, so that way it runs right. I knew that, but I never thought to tell him that. So I'll take the blame on that. I'm just glad that I don't have to buy it. So yeah, and then we may or may not do the quiet insert, and we're probably going to start this sucker up straight pipe just to see how it sounds, like just once. So maybe my wife won't be too mad. I don't know, she's sleeping now. And oh my word, so yeah, this is, I don't even want to talk about what's going on in here, but I get to pull this thing back apart because I screwed up. Didn't really screw up, I just got ahead of myself and started sealing stuff up, so now we're tore back down. And which, if I'd have been thinking, I'd have done a little video, because I hadn't found any on the 400 really on this new of a vehicle, so we may or may not. Alright, one thing, I wasn't going to do any of this install on these, whatever, because there's so many videos out there, but we did. My buddy Woody, he got a little frustrated, and that's kind of good because I was getting frustrated with that, so we swapped. But with these springs here, because, you know, either pliers or whatever you got in the garage, but I found out if you'll take a flat tip screwdriver and take it between these two coils or whatever, and then just hit it in there, then all you gotta do is just, well, they'll slip out. We're gonna edit all this out and just lift up, and then you gotta use your because that other one got me good. It pinched the crap out of my hand. So, yeah, tip of the day. I find it out. Yo, give me a minute. I got issues. What the? Right. Good thing I got mad editing skills.
Don't drop anything on my truck. I'll set my tire tail on fire.
Hang in there, plastic. Wait.
And to go.
850 Highlifter, straight pipe start up. Man.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna install this. The Big Gun power box. So that way we can run this without screwing stuff up. But anyways, I've already taken the side cover off. It had one star bolt and two of the plastic annoying plugs. You know, just took the seat off. And you've got to get to the fuel injector plugs, which one is right here. You just reach in there, you know, unplug it. Yep. And the other one is right in there, which that one's going to be a little, yep, hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I don't want to talk about what I just did with my fingernail, which, yeah, I just folded that whole fingernail back, and don't do that, that hurts. So anyways, so I figured out I can just get a pair of needle nose and that. So on this one, I grabbed right here. You just barely grabbed it. And I used the pliers to push that tab in, just pull it, and it just come right off, which it's still in there. It's off though. I mean, y'all, yeah, sorry, y'all can see it's off. So now we just gotta plug this one into the injector and this one into the existing wiring harness. Directions say it doesn't matter, and hook a ground up, and yeah, so I'll be back. Alright, after quite a few choice words, we got her all hooked up, and yeah, I'm gonna wire tie. Unlike Woody, I don't really know how I'm gonna wire tie it all. Yeah, and I don't even know if y'all saw that, but yeah, I gotta wire tie all this. I'm probably gonna run it up here somewhere, and I've just got this sitting out right now just so I can tune it. But I think we'll end up mounting it right in here somewhere. I don't know. Just try to, you know, get it up as high and keep it as dry as I can. I may end up putting it in an actual like waterproof box, and I know I've got one somewhere, but for now that's where she's gonna be. So startup, yes, you talked me into it. Sit you over here on a mess of a freaking maybe she'll start. Yeah, it's not so bad. I will have to tune it. Yep. So I'm going to tune that in the morning. And so the big gun EVO U installed. The big gun programmer, whatever you want to call it. It's freaking out right now. But yeah, so I'll tune all that tomorrow. I might come out here and tune it after I feed the dogs. I don't know. So yeah. Alright, so I come over to my buddy Woody's, and I was playing with the I just kicked this truck. So this is the mounting location I chose. I think I told you all about it. I don't really know, but I still got a little tuning to do, especially when it's cold. Cause oh, that's cute, dude. Dang it! I don't have the keys. Alright, the reason I chose this location is because, you know, it's kind of the most cleanest-ish, dry, whatever, but still got to do some tuning. So, she's running fine right now, but early I've already adjusted it some. And I had this original one was set down at 1, so I moved it up to the 5.6. And yeah, I'm still gonna, I don't know what half this means. I left the thing, the pamphlet there at the house, my house. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get it. What's up, Woody? Hey, stand by that thing again. That. I don't know. I'm taking pictures.
You recorded that whole. You taking pictures that whole time?
No, I'm recording, but I'm not. I was gonna try to flip the camera and actually talk to some peoples.
Don't bend, man.
Bend what?
Stepped on that.
Shoo! It's just money, dude. But anyway, so we're gonna do a little. She's warmed up, so I'm gonna tune her a little more once she cools back down, cause she's like at a dead idle. It's idling fine, but oh yeah, that's right. We're gonna unload it, but at a dead idle, it's idling fine. But when you're like just hitting the throttle when it's cold, it's spitting and sputtering a little bit. But if you just lay into it, she's running fine. So that may be just something that we have to live with. I don't know. I'm going to play with it a little more. And I want to get it out, you know, on the trail and in the mud and see how she runs. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do a little test and tune on the trail. But I will say she does run awesome and loud up and down my neighborhood. It even rides wheelies quite well, doesn't it, Woody?
Yes, it does.
And we even had somebody yell, "Shut up." But they'll get over it. They'll learn to love the sound of the Big Gun EVO U, because I'm going to go ahead and order the EVO U for her 570. I'm going to get the full EVO U and the same programmer for the... What is that programmer called?
It's a Big Gun.
Is this the Big Gun programmer?
Big Gun TFI power box, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, order the Big Gun TFI power box for hers, because hers will have to. And then I'm going to order the full exhaust for my Brute. Or what used to be a Brute is more like a storage unit right now. But what the heck, dude? There's a programmer for the truck. But yeah, so we're gonna order the exhaust and stuff now, because I can actually get to everything once I finish rebuilding. Hopefully just my top end. I don't even know where the back is. It's in there somewhere. Oh, there she is. So yeah, so that way it'll be a lot easier to do this one while it's all apart. And then just gonna jet her. And what is that? Dude, there's some like sparkly stuff on my four-wheeler. What is this?
Christmas stuff.
What? It's like so sparkly. But, and we gotta figure out what that's about. So I may be rebuilding more than just the top end. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm hoping. I'm being super optimistic, man. I don't have a lot of money to throw into this thing. And I'm hoping I can just do a top end rebuild, but I don't know where that oil is leaking from, so I may be screwed. So yay. Wish me luck though. Thanks.
Gotta shut the door now.